Some turtles literally breathe through their butts, an adaptation so weird it sounds made up. This bizarre skill is called cloacal respiration, and it lets certain turtles survive underwater for months without ever coming up for air. When winter hits and ponds freeze over, these turtles slow their bodies down and start absorbing oxygen straight through their backsides. Their cloaca, a multi-purpose opening, is lined with blood vessels that allow them to pull in oxygen directly from the water. Instead of lungs, it's like they've got built-in scuba gear in their rear ends. While other animals would suffocate, these turtles just chill under the ice, barely moving, breathing in the most unexpected way possible. Nature didn't stop at gills, she gave some turtles butt-breathing superpowers. Next time you see a turtle, remember there might be more going on under the shell than you think.